everyone, I'm Lorena. I guess many of you are working from home. So today I'd like to show you how to create a productive home office. I guess many people have worked at home, but many of you don't have a very strong home office. But if you don't have a very proper working environment, it will be hard to get any work done. So from the very beginning, to start with a good mood, I would like to put some plants or my favorite greenery on the desk. And number two, to get a proper temperature. It will let you feel warm and cozy and more concentrated on your work. And next step is to get your comfortable set of desk and table. Along with a pleasant environment, a good and comfortable setup is also necessary. Here you can see a minimalistic home office and chair design, with color matching your mood and style with coziness and comfortability. The table also offers small drawers for keeping notes. And not to forget the most crucial part, the chair. This chair has a 360 swivel function for better productivity. This is just one of our many collections. To know more, follow us on our social media.